At International Center of Excellence, we don't just teach computing, we empower tomorrow's tech leader with tools, mindset, and skills that shape the digital world. Our Higher National Diploma in Computing isn't just a course, it's a transformative journey into the tech world. Here, students don't just learn, they evolve. Our classrooms are vibrant tech hubs, our labs arenas of innovation. With individual attention tailored to every learner, real-world projects, and a direct link to industry standards, you are not just preparing for a job, you are preparing to lead the future of tech. The Asian Computing program at ICE is designed to cultivate thinkers, problem solvers, and digital innovators. Through a blend of core computing subjects and emerging technologies, you will gain practical skills and theoretical knowledge that are needed to thrive in today's dynamic tech world. You will master the fundamentals of programming, developing the logical and analytical mindset required to build software solutions. In networking and information security, you will explore how modern systems communicate and how to safeguard them against evolving cyber threats, skills that are in constant demand. With database design, application development, and the software development lifecycle, you will learn how to plan, build, and manage scalable digital systems from concept to deployment. You will also work on real-world projects that simulate the professional environment, giving you experience that truly matters. As technology evolves, so will you. From machine learning and artificial intelligence to emerging technologies, our modules ensure you are prepared for what's next, not just what's now. And through professional practices and computing research, you will develop the confidence to work ethically, independently, and collaboratively. By the end of your journey, you won't just understand technology, you will be able to shape it. Our H&D isn't the end of road, it's a launch pad to a full bachelor's degree in computing. With international recognition, our students are eligible to top up their qualifications at leading UK universities and global institutions, seamlessly continuing their academic journey. Right after completing your H&D, you will be ready to step into the tech industry with confidence, competence, and creativity. Whether you choose to enter the workforce immediately or pursue further studies, your qualification opens doors to exciting career pathways such as software developer, network engineer, AI specialist, IT project manager, cybersecurity analyst, systems architect, cloud solutions engineer. With a robust portfolio, practical experience, and industry-relevant skills, you won't just be job-ready, you will be in demand. Why the International Center of Excellence? Real-world learning, practical hands-on projects from day one, expert faculty, tutors who live and breathe tech innovation, global recognition, your H&D open doors worldwide. Industry-relevant curriculum always aligned with market needs. Individual attention, focused mentorship to bring out your best potential. At ICE, we don't just keep up with technology, we lead it. So if you're ready to code, create, and disrupt the norm, this is where you belong. Apply today and design the digital future.